Okay, I think they're having a surprise party for me.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, close your eyes. You're not supposed to see me.
Okay.
Okay?
I don't know anything. But why am I
Okay,
closing my eyes?
we're having a close your eyes. We're having a surprise party for Betty. She doesn't know. Obviously, as you can tell, there's a theme. Close your eyes. Close. Hey guys, you gotta go over there.
Go over there.
Go over there. Betty doesn't know you. Jay, I know it's her birthday. Go away. They're messing it up. Anyways, we're about to surprise Betty.
Okay.
Okay, close your eyes. Coño.
Who's here? I smell food.
No, ese es el restaurante al lado. Ese es el restaurante al lado.
I smell bondiga.
Okay, open your eyes. Oh man, we got her good.
No, we got
Hey, don't watch out, be careful. Be careful.
I didn't know where the team was. I didn't know where the team was. I was where is it?
That's why they thought I told you. Wait. No, what you were? No, it wasn't you, but indirectly it was you. So you told Grace, but you didn't tell Grace that it was a surprise. So Grace told me. Toma, Sofía, otra para póngala ya. Póngala en la mesa. Okay, now let's sing the Magic